Hello friends, welcome to ETABS learning training series. In the previous video we had applied partition wall as well as parapet wall. Now if you want to see that partition wall and parapet wall load in the 3D view, so you can go to the 3D view, you can click on display, load assigns and frame, and you can simply click on, let's say, partition load and click on apply. So as you can see, all the partition loads is now displayed. Similarly, you can go to the parapet load and apply. So all the parapet load which is to be applied on the periphery of the beam, so that is the display. Now in this video I will show you how to apply the slab load, that is shell load. So for that, there is a number of methods. So first of all, let us say I will select all these slabs, and here this one is the staircase and here is the balcony. So here we will apply different load. So here let us say I will select all these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 panels of the slab, and I can go to the assign, go to the shell load and click on uniform, and from here I can apply, let us say, live load less than equal to 3, and let us say I will apply the value 2 kN per meter square. So click on apply and click on OK. So here as you can see, 2 kN per meter square load has been applied. If you want to see that value in 3D view, you can go to the display, assign load, frame, shell load, and you can use the live load less than equal to 3 and simply click on apply. So as you can see, that live load value is now displayed. But if you want to apply same value to all the floors, so what is the best method? You can go to the select, you can again go to the select, you can go to the properties, and you can go to the slab section. In that you will use slab 125 mm and click on select and click on close. So slab 125 mm has been selected from all the floors. Now I will apply the value 2 kN per meter square. So I will go to the assign, shell load, uniform, 2 kN per meter square, live load less than equal to 3, click on apply and click on OK. So as you can see, 2 kN per meter square value has been applied to all the floors. Similarly, in the roof plan, what our IS code says, if your roof is accessible, IS 875 part 2 says if your roof is accessible, then you can apply the live load 1.5 kN per meter square. But if your roof is not accessible, then you can apply the live load as 0.75 kN per meter square. So that is the things that you need to be understand. So here I will go to the roof floor plan view, and then here I will select all these panels, and then I will go to the assign, frame load, shell load, uniform, and then let us say 1.5 kN per meter square I want to be applied and click OK. So that values will be applied in the roof 1.5 kN per meter square. As you can see, it has been already updated in the 3D view as well. In the plan view, I will go to the ground floor plan view, and I need to be apply staircase load. So in the ground floor plan view, I need to be apply staircase load. So I will go to the select properties and slab section. Now I will go to the staircase slab. So staircase slab will be select and close. So staircase slab will be selected in on ground floor plan, first floor plan as well. Now I will apply the shell load of 3 kN per meter square. But however, 4 or 5 kN per meter square is preferable, because of in case of fire or earthquake, the more load will comes on the staircase. So right now I am applying assign, shell load, uniform. I am applying live load, that is 3 kN per meter square, and simply click on apply and click on OK. So that staircase slab has 3 kN per meter square values has been applied. So that values you can also update it here. So you can go to display, load assign, and simply click on shell load and live load less than equal to 3, apply OK. So that values will be displayed here as well. So since we have not applied any kind of load in the ground floor plan, so it will not display any kind of values. But in the first floor plan, as you can see, slab load is 2 kN per meter square, and here there is a staircase load is 3 kN per meter square has been applied. Similarly, if you will go to the second floor plan, so that value will be also displayed here, as well as roof plan. So roof plan also that value will be displayed. Move down, second floor also that value will be displayed, and first floor that value will be also displayed. So after applying the live load, now we need to apply the floor finish load. So generally in the depending on your building construction, whether it is a cement slurry flooring or whether it is a tile flooring, so depending on that you need to consider the floor finish load as well. So marble is there, or stone flooring is there, or cement slurry only is there, or whether it is a tile flooring. So depending on that you have to consider floor finish load. So right now I am considering the floor finish load in my residential building, that is 2 kN per meter square. So what I need to go to the select, click on select, click on properties, slab section. I will be select slab 125 mm, select close, and I will be assign the cell load of the floor finish load, that is 2 kN per meter square load I want to be applied. Similarly, I will be go to the select properties, and slab section, staircase load. Also I need to apply 2 kN per meter square load. So I will be go to the shell, uniform, floor finish, 2 kN per meter square, apply, OK. Similarly, if I will be go to the roof plan view, in roof plan view my floor finish load will not be much more higher, because of it is just as a cement slurry, and so I will be reduce this value. So I will be reduce this value by, here I will be not go to the select, here I will be select individually, and I will be assign this load as 0.5 kN per meter square. So as per your requirement, you need to be applied different loading value, you need to be applied different values in your structure. So simple, if your values has not been updated, you can simply go to the display, load, assign, frame load, shell load, and let us say I want to be use floor finish load, apply, OK. So as we can see that value is now updated here as well.